like to introduce a Web 2.0 tool to use with students, Blendspace. Blendspace is a free tool for educators. You can sign up here and you can log in with a Google account or with Facebook. Once you have logged on, you will see three tabs on the left: Lessons, Classes, or Gallery. Today we're going to focus on creating a new lesson. So if you're not already there, click Lessons, then go to the blue New Lesson key and click on this to create your new lesson. Notice the home key in the upper left-hand corner of the page. This will take you to your landing page for Blendspace. You can choose one of several templates for the layout of your lesson. The theme key will allow you to choose your color palette. Once you've created your lesson, you can play it. You can print your lesson, and another great feature is that your lesson is auto-saved. Enter the lesson title. Click on it. Add your lesson name. I'm going to call mine Adding Fractions. First box says drop your resource, add text, or add quiz. If you want to add text, just click on Add Text and add any special instructions for students. I usually add quizzes if I have one at the end of a lesson. Your first search on the right will be in YouTube. Click here and add your topic and search. As you scroll through, you will see many videos to choose from. If you don't know exactly what you want, you can preview the videos using the gray keys that pop up in the right-hand corner. Once you choose a video you like, click on it, drag it, and drop it. You can then search Google. Notice you can search images or web. I'm just going to use an image here. You can search Flickr. Flickr has a lot of great images. However, there's not a lot for us to look at here for fractions. You can always go to more and find more images. Search EduCreations. Again, it's just like the YouTube. You can preview. Once you find one, drag and drop. You can search Guru. Once you find something you like, you can drag and drop. I notice there's a quiz here. Let's try it. But I usually like a quiz at the end, so I'm just going to put it here in this last box. If you have a certain web page that you'd like to enter, just click on this icon, type in your web page. I'm going to use khanacademy.org. Your internet connection. Once your web link pops up, drag and drop. You can upload media files from your computer. You would just choose a file here and upload it. I already have one, so I'll just drag and drop. I scroll down and I notice that I don't have any more room, so I can click on the plus sign and add a row. I can add items from Dropbox if you have a Dropbox. I'm going to add this one. You can also add items from Google Drive. Say I've got a quiz form, I can add that in. You can also add items from your bookmarks. Once you've created your lesson, you want to play your lesson to make sure everything's working properly. Click here to play the video. You use the right arrows to scroll through the different links that you have for your lesson. Sometimes they take a minute to load. You have to establish connections. Oh, this one's broken, so we might want to Delete this one in a minute. Remember 5-2, adding and subtraction fractions. Your Khan Academy link will open up in a new tab. Here's the image we uploaded from our computer media file. This is the adding and subtracting fractions quiz. Notice in the right it tells you that profs present interactive multiple choice quizzes on topics in science and math. Test your knowledge of adding and subtracting fractions in this quiz. You can arrow through. Sometimes it takes a while. Right now it's fetching our document. This is coming from our Dropbox. Oh, that's just a graph. I don't know if I want that. And that's the end of your lesson. We decided we want to delete some items. This one didn't work so well for us, so we want to delete it. Say OK. Then you need to rearrange because you don't want any gaps. Drag and drop items where you want them. I didn't want this one, so all you have to do is scroll down, delete it, say OK. Drag and drop your quiz that you decided to keep here. Then click on the red No Subject line. Choose your grade level, middle school. Choose your topic, math. Share your lesson. When you share your lesson, you get a link that you can copy and paste into a document. You can email it. You can share or embed your lesson on the web using Edmodo, Twitter, email, Facebook, a QR code for kids with cell phones, or you can embed your lesson in a web page if you have a website. Notice your lesson has privacy settings and a way to collaborate with others when creating your lesson. Then go home. Here you can view another way to share or delete your lesson. Notice your lesson is here. When you scroll over it, the lesson highlights. It tells you when you last modified it. It tells you the number of views and who owns the lesson. If you would like to share your lesson later, you can click here and the same links show up. Then if you go to the right, you'll see the drop-down menu for more. You can track your lesson, delete your lesson, or copy your lesson. I'm going to delete this one. I hope this lesson has helped you come up with a new way to engage students in or out of the classroom. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. Come back and view my lessons on Blendspace. Thank you.